I brush my hair before leaving the house. She enjoys baking cookies on the weekends. He watches documentaries to learn about new topics. We go for a jog in the park every morning. They practice their dance routine for the performance. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The birds build their nests in the tall trees. The baby giggles and plays with toys. The teacher provides guidance to the students. My sister plays the flute in the school band. I water the plants in the greenhouse. She writes poetry to express her emotions. He practices his basketball skills at the court. We have a family game night every Friday. They enjoy hiking in the mountains. The river meanders through the countryside. The waves crash against the rocks. The plane takes off from the runway. My parents encourage me to follow my dreams. The cat hunts for mice in the backyard. I study for exams to achieve good grades. She takes swimming lessons at the local pool. He fixes a leaky faucet in the bathroom. We go on a road trip to visit new places. They play volleyball on the beach. The moon illuminates the night sky. The stars twinkle above us. The computer processes information quickly. My friend shares her thoughts and ideas with me. The baby crawls and explores the room. I check my messages on social media. She takes photographs of stunning landscapes. He walks his dog in the park every evening. We have a family dinner at home. They enjoy playing card games during gatherings. The sun warms the earth's surface. The birds sing their beautiful melodies. The baby needs a diaper change. The teacher explains the lesson to the students. My sister plays the guitar with passion. I ride my bike to work every day. She meets her friends for coffee at the cafe. He watches a movie at the cinema. We go for a picnic in the park. They play soccer in the local league. The moon shines brightly in the night sky. The stars twinkle above the city. The computer beeps when it starts up. My friend shares her lunch with me. The baby laughs and claps his hands.